The design of a home tells a lot about a person. This home is called Viking Villa, and it was designed by world-renowned architect Narendra Patel for Glenn Hegstad. Hegstad was an entrepreneur, writer, martial arts expert, and motivational speaker who spoke 10 languages and traveled the world by motorcycle. Like its original owner, the home's architecture is dramatic and striking, perfectly complementing the epic panoramic views of the Santa Rosa Mountains from its high hillside vantage. Inside and out, you are surrounded by awesome desert scenery. From sunrise to sunset, you can watch the landscape come alive with color from behind floor-to-ceiling sliding doors or while relaxing in the home's massive infinity pool. The living and kitchen area is an immense space with bold shapes and textures. Slate stone floor-to-ceiling walls and a sculptural fireplace seamlessly blend the interior with the surrounding hillside, creating a powerful connection between nature and design. The primary suite is both private and luxurious, featuring walls of glass that capture breathtaking jetliner-style views of the Santa Rosa Mountains. An office, a guest suite, and a separate guest house each offer privacy and unforgettable vistas. A spacious garage provides ample room for vehicles, recreational toys, and a dedicated gym. Designed with sustainability in mind, the home is highly energy efficient, featuring a solar power system paired with 2 massive battery units for maximum performance and reliability. What we have here is truly a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, sitting on an epic perch in South Palm Desert's exclusive Cahuilla Hills. Come experience for yourself the awesome views and striking design of Viking Villa.